Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best clothes drying racks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Honey Can Do Dry 01610 Gullwing Drying Rack. As you look forward to improving your laundry, a strong cloth drying rack can be the best ideal. Now, Honey Can Do Gullwing Rack is one of the best you can get on the market. That is why it tops as the best in our reviews. Designed with 6 positions adjusting arms, this stand is ideal even for heavy garments. Also, apart from being great for drying your clothes, it is also perfect for shoes and sweaters. With 46 feet drying line space, no more strains as you look for indoor and outdoor hanging line in the congested residential estate. Once drying is over, the racks fold down completely to 3.5 inches. Moving on at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Drying Rack, foldable. Avoid stresses of being in a limited space to hang your clothes. The Amazon Basic Drying Rack is one of the best deal when it comes to laundry. It enables natural cloth drying, hence keeping them fresh, and also allows energy saving. To make it user-friendly, the rack features lightweight steel construction which is strong to support your clothes. The sleek powder finish renders it attractive, thus, ideal for house decor. When hanging clothes, the rack doesn't cause staining as it is mildew and rust-proof. With the ability to fold flat, it means that storage stress is no more. At number 3, we have the CRESNEL Stainless Steel Clothes Drying Rack. Having CRESNEL stainless steel clothes rack is a big step in ensuring your fabrics are protected from wrinkling and are fresh due to natural drying. It's a versatile stand that allows hanging clothes indoors and outdoors. This is because it is constructed from stainless steel which doesn't corrode or rust. Additionally, when the rack isn't in use, it easily folds, hence saving the space. The arms are adjustable in a flat design or Y shape, hence helping to care for the washed clothes. Purchasing it delivers peace of mind as assembling is toolless and takes a few seconds. The 1-year warranty backs the rack which delivers guaranteed quality. At number 2, we have the Arrow Hanger AH12 Clothes Hanging System. Hanging your clothes should not be a headache anymore. Once you get this Insta-Hanger AH12 from Arrow Hanger, your laundry will be a piece of cake. Designed to offer an instant solution to line cloth drying, it eliminates all hassles associated with indoor cloth drying. The construction features sturdy abid plastic which is hard to break, thus it can withstand wet clothes' weight. Also incorporated is chrome-plated steel which is durable and corrosion-resistant. The rack is wall-mounted, hence rendering installation a breeze. Insta-Hanger AH12 is a perfect solution for a neat cloth hanging without clattering while supporting up to 50 pounds. And finally at number 1, we have the Home It Bamboo Clothes Drying Rack. Get this bamboo clothes drying rack and hang your clothes in style. There is no more hassle when it comes to laundry as it doesn't rust or taint your fabrics. Additionally, unlike other racks, Home It is made to make your work easier while providing sufficient space to hang your clothes. Its ability to be folded enables it to come fully assembled while also allowing easy storage when it is not in use. The bamboo construction is stylish and perfectly conforms to your decor and also lightweight, hence easy to move. This laundry rack measures 14.5 x 29.5 x 41.75 inches when uncollapsed. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.